aku Selatan Kasana. Today on Wednesday 30 November 2021. Happy gathering with us in BBC program, which will provide you to the real news and which is taken factually and actually. Either in international and national, I will accompany you about 10 minutes with many kinds of information. Well, let's begin the news today. This morning, a news conference face-to-face learning at elementary school Hargosari 2. Well, viewers, that's all the news many. It's useful for your viewers. Okay, the Ngawi Education Official has ensured that face-to-face learning activity or PTM, especially for elementary school, which will start on November 1, 2021. Okay, are only for 4, 5, and 6th grade students. PTM for elementary school in Ngawi will open for public and private school. This is how enthusiastic elementary school students are when holding limit face-to-face learning in the elementary school Hargosari 2 in Ngawi area, and acting head of the Ngawi Education Official, CH Sri Wahyuni, as the principal of elementary school in Hargosari, has reminded teaching to calmly more with health protocol or protocol, because teacher must also be reminded they are aware that is the teaching and learning progress. They strictly adhere to the protocol, lest a teacher before not wearing a masker will teaching in the school environment. He said Tuesday. So progress, he said, should become a habit, so there is no need to be reminded to wear a mask. This should become a habit, so there is not need to be reminded to wear a mask, he said. She said, okay, for 3 weeks held a special PTM elementary school. Sri Wahyuni said that no new case had been found. There have been no new case during PTM until today. There has been no report. It has been 3 weeks since PTM has been open for elementary school. No cluster have been found in school, she said. And previously, Ngawi Mayor Oni Anwar revealed that the number of elementary school students who could take part in PTM was limited to maximum of 8 people per class. And the government has required school to prepare a limit face-to-face learning or PTM option. This is done when the teacher and educator have been vaccinated. Based on the result of the PTM regional survey concluded by the Directorate of Elementary School in 2021, the result showed that 97 participants of students who were responded start that they wanted to return to school. So before entering the implementation product in the implementation of limit PTM, there are 2 processes that need to be known first to mount size the start of limit PTM in the education until process Before entering the implementation procedure, in the implementation of limit PTM, there are two processes that need to be known. First 2 months since the start of limit PTM in the education is called the transition period. After the transition period is complete, the limit PTM process is hereinafter referred to as the new habit period. And the following is a complete procedure for limit PTM during the transition period. Quote from the official website of the Ministry of Education and Technology Primary School Directorate. And first class condition, arrange the parent with a minimum distance of 1.5 meter. The maximum number of students is 18 per class. 18 per class, guys. And so the maximum PTM time and duration are limited by dividing study group. Determined by age education unit by taking into account the health and safety of the school and environment, as well as the number of assistant rumble or student study group and available classroom. And next mandatory behavior. Use a closed march tree or disposable march or a circular march that covers the nose, mouth, and the chin. If using a closed march, use it every 4 hours or when it's damp or wet. Wash the hand with soap, with running water or hand sanitizer. And when interacting, always maintaining a distance of at least 1.5 meter and avoid physical contact such as shaking hand and kissing hand, applying cleansing and sensing etiquette using the inside of the elbow. And for the next medical condition, school residents are in good health. If you have comorbidity, you must be under control. Do not have symptoms of COVID-19, and including people who live with school residents. Next, sport and extracurricular activity not allowed. It is recommended to continue and to do sport activity and development interest or talent at home. And so next, activity other than learning that are not allowed in the school environment. And parents wait for students in the school environment. Participants take a break outside the classroom, meeting parents of students, and introduction to the education until environment. Learning for the last learning activity outside the school environment along with maintaining healthy protocol. And that was the news for this morning. Follow the next update in BBC program 1 hour ahead. I'm Pusatun Hasana. Good morning and see you.